Yes, Your Excellencies, dear friends, it's a great pleasure for me to be here to give this very brief greeting from my party, but also from youth in Norway in general. No place could be better to discuss the political situation in Iran than here at the Nobel Institute. This place that for the whole world represents peace and dialogue. And as Mr. Kennedy very well said it reminds us all that we are members and we are citizens of the world. We are here to learn more about the situation in Iran, for those people living in the country, but also for all those that are living in exile. And today, especially for all those that are living in the ashram camp. So we are here to learn, but we are also here with a message of solidarity from the youth in Norway. We are here with a message of solidarity with all those that are struggling for human rights, for democracy. The use of death penalty must stop immediately, and all Iranians must get their freedom. Our message is especially strong to the youth. They are the biggest victims of violations against human rights, but they are also the hope of the nation. All over the world, we have seen that youth are the most important voice for human rights and for democracy. We have seen it in Syria, we are now seeing it in Ukraine, and we are also seeing it in Iran. So this is our message to the youth of the Iranian people. We are seeing you, and we demand that the international community must not forget these people. No humans are free before all humans are free, we say in Norway. That reminds us that attack on human rights one place in the earth is an attack on all of us. Thank you very much.